Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a 5G face-off between the Motorola Moto G 5G and the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. It's going to be a battle of cameras, batteries, screens, and so much more. So grab your popcorn and let's dive in. First up, we've got the price. The Moto G 5G comes in at $249, while the Galaxy A15 5G is a cool $158. That's right, folks, the A15 is cheaper. You could buy the A15 and still have enough left over for a fancy dinner. But remember, cheaper isn't always better, unless it's a dollar store haul. Next, let's talk performance. The Moto G 5G packs a Snapdragon 480 Plus processor, fast enough to make your grandma's dial-up look like a fossil. On the other hand, the A15 has a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a Tesla. Both are fast, but one makes you feel like Tony Stark. Reviewers of the Moto G 5G appreciate its improved performance and the faster fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Meanwhile, users of the Galaxy A15 5G find it to be a good value for the price and note its fast performance. Now for the camera showdown. The Moto G 5G boasts a 48 megapixels advanced camera system with quad-pixel technology. It's like having a professional photographer in your pocket. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 flexes with a 50MP rear camera plus additional lenses for ultra-wide and macro shots. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cameras. So if you want to capture every pore on your face, the A15 might be your go-to. Reviewers of the Moto G 5G highlight its solid OIS camera, while the Galaxy A15 5G is praised for taking high-quality images and videos. Moving on to displays, the Moto G 5G features a 6.5-inch display with an incredibly fluid 120Hz refresh rate. Perfect for scrolling through memes without a hitch. The A15 also has a 6.5-inch display, but with a 90Hz refresh rate. It's like comparing a sports car to a sedan. Both get you there, but one makes the journey a lot smoother. Reviewers of both phones appreciate their great screens, though the Moto G 5G's higher refresh rate stands out. Battery life. Both phones come with a 5000 mAh battery. That's right, you can binge watch your favorite series all day long without worrying about your phone dying. But here's the kicker. The Moto G 5G claims to be 5G friendly, which means it might just last longer on a single charge. It's like having an extra large pizza versus a large pizza. More slices for you. Reviewers of the Moto G 5G love its battery life, while Galaxy A15 5G users also find it to have a long-lasting battery. Extras, read all about it. The Moto G 5G comes with Dolby Atmos and stereo speakers. Imagine being surrounded by sound as if you're in a concert hall. The Galaxy A15, on the other hand, has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and is an international model. So if you like traveling and unlocking your phone like a spy, the A15 has your back. Reviewers of the Moto G 5G appreciate features like NFC and its stylish design, while Galaxy A15 5G users find the dual SIM and 128GB memory quite useful. Overall, reviewers find the Motorola Moto G 5G to be a great value for its price, highlighting its performance, battery life, and solid camera. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is praised for its fast performance, high-quality camera, and excellent value, especially for international use. So there you have it, folks. The Moto G 5G and the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Two titans of the budget 5G world. Which one will you choose? The feature-packed Moto G 5G or the budget-friendly Galaxy A15 5G? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.